So I'm up here at camp and I found one of our old buses, bus 482. According to the license plate, it's a 1989 International Bluebird. Glad I came up here to put this stuff up. We'll check inside in a minute. And of course, no stop sign like my district wanted back when. Alright, let's check the bus. Bluebird, oh my gosh. I've not been inside one of these in forever. You know, Bluebird lights. I really should be heading back to camp, but 1989, capacity 71, Fort Valley. Wow. The old master manual. Oh my gosh, the reds are on. Let's go check it out. Wow. I'm surprised they work. Yeah, that left bulb or the right bulb is out, but still. 482. Wow. Old fan. Exterior light monitor, does that work? Yep. Yeah. So let's check this. Dampers are on. Probably can't see them up there, but all right. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted to own one of these, but super dirty back here. Emergency exit to open, pull handle up, push out door. Just gotta get some pictures now. What's the mileage on this? 93,066. Alright, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Just for good measures, just keep it safe. You totally can't see it, but I'm back at the bus. It's night, and we could not see the warning lights very well. So I wanted to take a look at those while I'm still here. Alright. Alright. We're inside the bus. We are going to hit the manual switch right here. Actually, we're going to pull that. Push that. Reds are activated. So let's come out here and just take a quick look at them. Alright, let's come Take a look at the back real quick. One of them is out, I can tell. Yep, we made that assumption earlier. Okay, so let's take a look at the ambers now. Come back in here. So, we're going to shut the door. Alright. And now we are going to hit the manual switch. Both of them seem to work. Alright. Let's come check back here. Once again, they both seem to be working. I'm afraid to open the back door. No good, nothing. Just for giggles, let's open the door and see that. Alright, let's check that out one more time. Open the door. The old style door. Favorite. Alright, we're gonna activate reds real quick. Just come back here and take a look at it. Alright, shut the E door. Hit my head right there. See those flashing. Alright. Oh, a CB up here. I did not notice that earlier with this nice protective cover on it. Alright. So let's see. Dome lights, clearance lights, manual master fan, heater, defrost. I don't know if there's a, let's see, light, ignition, parking brake. Please remember to set parking brake. Alright, and, ooh, my mug. Over interesting. Alright, I think we're done here. Alright, let's check at the back one more time.